have as much Valentine's Day stuff as I thought they would have, but coming right in, you can see the St. Patty's Day stuff. You got some Easter stuff. Not too much on this wall back here. We're gonna go down in the aisles. Some of Dollar Tree finally got the Dollar Tree Plus section. I'm excited about that. They have Easter stuff over here. Look at those signs. That's very cute. Those are nice. Those are really nice. Pretty long too. Look cute. Little egg garland. $3 for the little bunnies. Those are cute. Super cute. Styrofoam. Do you guys have the Dollar Tree Plus section where you are? If so, let me know. I just noticed that our stores were starting to get it a couple weeks ago. And I was super excited. Oh, look at these cups. They're cute. Oh, little peep cups. That's cute. Cute. They're $5. That's so cute. Little bunny ears. And they got little baking cups. Those are super cute. Ribbon. Oh, look at that. There's throw blankets. Wow, that would be cute to go in the basket. Super cute. What are these? LED candle. That's cute. This is the candy that they have over here for the Easter section. And these are $3 and $5. I'm gonna back up so you guys can see like how tall these guys are. Those are really nice. You got the Russell Stover bunnies. Of course, you're gonna get your cards for $1 Valentine's Day cards. So this is more Easter over here. Yeah. I feel like my camera is blurry. Some Valentine's Day stuff. Oh, they got some cute little trees. The Valentine's Day tree. That's kind of cool. Oh, wow. Dunkin' chocolate. There's some more candy over here. Chocolate. Cute little bags right here. Those come in handy. Put little treats in there. Yeah, look at this candy, guys. That's different. Dunkin's chocolates, jelly donut. Interesting. More candy. It's the candy section for the Valentine's Day candy. They got socks. This is the women's crew socks. Those are always nice to pick up. Alright guys, let's see what else they have. Alright, so they have some more on this side. Got some containers, some little bowls. They got some cute little 18-inch long stem roses, sack bags. That's cute. A little bit more over here. Headbands. That's super cute. Cute little boxes here. Looks like some party favors. If you're having a Valentine's Day party. Okay, so that looks like that's it for Valentine's Day here at this store. Up top, they have some more baskets and bins. Alright, let's see what else they got. Alright, so I'm like in the party section where there's the plates and stuff. I need forks and spoons. So I grabbed forks and spoons. If you guys are having a Super Bowl party, they got Super Bowl stuff. Let me look at this a little bit closer. Little decorations, can coolers, how cute. Look at this referee one. That's super cute. To keep your can cool. Party box favors. I got some stuff from Target a couple months ago, but they have a lot more than Target did, so I might pick up a couple things because I'm thinking about having a Super Bowl party. So you got the green forks and spoons, got some cups, some bowls. That's cute. It's a table runner. Oh, that's nice. I think I'm gonna get one of those for the table. That's kind of cool. Little table runner. And this is the party favor boxes. Got confetti. So down here, they got some napkins. I already have napkins. And are these football plates? Football plates, and they're huge, guys. It's really big. They got the centerpiece, football centerpiece, and then they have the letter banner. And a banner flag. I got the table runner. I got 2 of these can coolers just because I think I can do something else with that. I like the little referee jacket. That's cute. Forks, spoons, knives. The letter banner, the football letter banner, and then the football tissue centerpiece. And then I can't remember if I have like the little dessert plates, so I'm gonna get those too. And I'm gonna grab a tablecloth. So I'm in the floral section. I'm trying to figure out if this is $1. It doesn't say. So I think this will be cute for my desk. Isn't that cute? So I'm gonna take it to the register. It's cute. So I'm gonna get that from my desk. Super cute. But I'm looking at these decals, and I think this one right here would be cute for my desk. I think I can create something with this. It says results driven, passion, fuel. I'm gonna get one of these because I feel like I can probably create something, put it in a frame. Kind of neat. And this is $1, so I'm gonna get this. Dollar Tree sells wallpaper. Look at that. It's wallpaper for DIY projects. That's kind of cool. How cute is this one? This gold. That's really cute. That's really cute. Ooh, the 8x10 too. So I always pick a couple of the fabric softeners up when I'm here. It's the blue one. Yeah, it's all like both. Guys, I like these chessmen cookies. I'm gonna pick up one bag. I got some chocolate chip. Okay, so lately they've been out of my milk, but this one actually has the whole milk. I normally try to get the 2%. I'm gonna grab 2 of these whole milks. Guys, these are really good. Do not be afraid of this. It's the nutritional facts right there. And it is made here in the United States. It's just milk and vitamin D. And the expiration date, I always check expiration dates. It's this year in December. So guys, this is definitely something you want to keep in your pantry, because the way things are going in the world, you just never know. So even if you don't use it, you know, now for cooking, you can always have it in your pantry for emergency situations. It's shelf stable and it tastes really good. I'm gonna get a cran apple ocean spray, just one. I like the pineapple, but they only have this one in the original one. I don't really like cranberry juice just by itself. I like it to be mixed with another fruit. I like to get the Slim Jims. This is the Jack Link's brand. That's a name brand. Those are good. And then they have the Slim Jims. And then they also have Butterball. I'm going to get me one of these. It's a big one right here. 10 grams of protein. 9 grams of protein on that one. I'm going to get this. So I come here to this location because most of the time they pretty stacked up with everything. Especially the snacks. It's always on point over here. Their candy section is pretty much always full. They keep it together at this Dollar Tree. I did think they would have more Valentine's Day stuff, but yeah. It's good. And some more candy over here. So they keep it stocked up. Love it. So this is like the third aisle with snacks, guys. I'm telling you, they have the best selection. They got popcorners, knockoff Takis. Those chips right there, those spicy ones, those are pretty good. And the regular tortilla strips with chips, those are okay if you need some in a pinch. Guys, they have the Alani energy drinks. Those are very expensive in the store. So if you get them from here, you're saving a lot of money. So tis the season for cold and flu and the sea thing. So we're going to get 2 boxes of puffs. Look, guys, they sell the pink sauce in the Dollar Tree. If you guys are on an organizational journey, try the Dollar Tree. These are the organizers that you can put in your refrigerator, but you can use it for other things too. And if you go elsewhere, they do cost a whole lot more. There's clips here. You can clip it onto your refrigerator. And these are nice quality, guys. Very nice quality. If you go to the Container Store, places like that, you're going to spend a whole lot more money. Oh, and these are egg holders. That's pretty cool. Guys, I'll always get my aluminum foil pans from Dollar Tree. Always get those from here. And then they also have Trash bags, sometimes you can find, see they have the name brand right there. Ziploc bags, I always get my Ziploc bags from Dollar Tree as well if I don't get the big thing from Costco. But typically I get them from here. And if you do get them, make sure you get ones that have the bonus bags in there. And they do that a lot, the bonus bags. Down here you have your trash bags, the large ones and the ones for the bathroom, drawstring. They're not that good of quality, but in a pinch, why not? Alright guys, so remember I picked up the clear forks and spoons. I'm actually going to get these because it's more. These have 52 in there. And the other ones have 48. So if you see these, this is a better deal. The forks and the spoons.